Okay, hello everyone. Today we're going to be making two different dishes. We're going to be making spaghetti bake, and I'm going to make a green bean casserole. And by special request, my sweet sister Ann and wonderful, beautiful friend Sandra Hurley requested to see my face. So, ladies, this is for you. And so on with the show. Alright, I have a kettle of water here. It's already heated, and I'm going to put it back up on high and put my spaghetti in there. I don't know about everybody else, but when I make spaghetti, I always break it up into little bitty pieces. I don't like big old long spaghettis. So, that, and like that, and get a little more. I'm going to have plenty of spaghetti for that. I think this might be enough here. Right, now, we get that started boiling. And this recipe right here, my sister added something to it, so I'm going to try it and see how it turns out. I'm going to be adding some onions and bell pepper, fried in butter. And I'm going to put that on my layer of meat that I'm going to fix. I'm going to just put that in there, let that get started. And I have about a pound, maybe a little bit less of hamburger. We're going to fry this up. This is going to be our bottom layer. That's the hamburger. Break all that up right good. Oh yeah. Let that stuff start frying. And in the meantime, I'm going to be mixing up my green bean casserole. Alright, I have a couple of cans of green beans right here. And about a half of a cup of French onions. Dump them in there. And almost a cup of cheese. And 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. I'll get it open. I'm just going to mix all this stuff right up. Mix it all up. You see how that looks? Just kind of turning it over and over, not to crush nothing up or anything, but alright. Here's my pan I'm going to bake it in. I think I'm going to put just a tiny bit of cooking oil, cooking spray so it won't stick really bad. Now, dump all that right out into our pan. Oh, I can smell them bell peppers and onions frying up together. Ooh, that smells good. I love good food, for sure. And it shows, because I'm growing. Alright. Looks pretty good. And then I'm going to take and sprinkle some more cheese over the top of that, but first I think I might put a little bit more French onions on it. Just a little, not a lot, just to get that good flavor. switch out burners with that. Bring this down a little bit. What do I do with my other spoon? Oh, there it is. Hamburger to burn either. Alright. Then we put a little bit of cheese over the top of that. Sprinkle a little. Right. We're going to put this in the oven. And I'm going to turn the oven to probably about 350. You don't have to stay in there long, but alright. Okay, it looks like our spaghetti is about, yeah, it's good. Alright. Let's take this out. Drain the water out of it. Alright. Alright, now we're going to take and just lay the spaghetti out right on top of our mixture we've already got there. Just put it all over the top of it. Just like that. Oh yeah. I don't know if you all can see this or not, but you see how it's looking? Do it this way. Make it go a little bit faster. Alright. Now smooth this all out some. And I'm going to put a little layer of Parmesan on that. Just like that. It's the Parmesan. And then we're going to add the rest of our sauce to it. Smooth that all out. That. Alright, now I'm going to sprinkle us a little bit more cheddar cheese right on top of that spaghetti. Alright. I'll stick this right in the oven. See how that looks? And in it goes. And our spaghetti is in, and the green bean casserole looks like it's about done. Get it out. think it's good and ready. And I'll be back for a taste test. Alrighty, it's time now to check our spaghetti. And I believe it's about done. Looks delicious. Ooh, look at that. Okay. Turn the stove off. And we're going to try some of that. So, time now for the taste test. So I can already help me a potato baked. And get us some of this green bean casserole. And I'm going to try some of this spaghetti. All right. Okay, time for the taste test. This is the green bean casserole. That's good. And try this about this. This is hot. Much hotter. It's gonna have to cool a minute. That was good. And potato. Waloo, we have dinner. This is delicious. Alrighty, we'll see you next time. Alright, now we're going to do some draining. Drain the grease out of this burger meat here. I think that's done enough. Take all this hamburger right into the screen there. And then mash all the grease out we can get. All right. I guess that's about all we can get out of it. Make sure I don't spill it. Alright, I don't know if you can see this or not, but I'm scattering my hamburger all over my pan there. Then I'm going to add a little bit of sauce here and a spoon right underneath it. Oh, there it is. This is spaghetti sauce. Just We'll put a little thin like layer down first. We're not going to put a whole lot yet. Alright. Let's check on our spaghetti. Still got a ways to go. But in the meantime, we're going to put our, see how that looks? Fried onions and bell peppers together, and just sprinkle it all over the top of the hamburger sauce there. All that good buttery flavor. All right. And we'll give that spaghetti a little while to get done, and I'll be back.